Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya. Hello and welcome to yet another riveting episode of Dheya Masterpieces. Today, we are going to have a conversation with our career mentor, Mr. Prabhat Garg. Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
Hello, Shreya. I'm fine, doing well. How are you?
I'm also good, sir. Thank you for asking. So, let us begin today's episode by knowing more about your career path and journey. So, can you please walk us through that?
Yes, sure. Why not? I'm a corporate consultant earlier into trainings and sharing knowledge.
Okay.
And, for past 12 years, I'm into career guidance and defining directions. I am sure they is also doing the same thing. And
Yeah.
when I come across there that someone is also doing at a very doing it with the organized tools and
Mm.
network, then I really amazed and joined the program of
Okay.
mentor certification here.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm looking forward. There's the resources and tools the
Mm-hmm.
AI is having. I'm really impressed
Okay.
because I am here in IPSA. I'm
Mm-hmm.
doing as a one-man army.
Okay.
I'm the only person here, and
Mm-hmm.
it at my own level. But
Okay.
of course, searching for the a platform where things are organized in a better manner.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm interested into it and really enjoying it.
All right. That's really great to know, sir. Thank you for the kind words. And so now I want to ask you, as you rightly said, Dheya has been doing a lot in the career activities since the last 15 years. So now I want to ask you how, what inspired you while joining Dheya about career activities?
The reason of joining is that this is not I'm joining here for money. It's a
Mhm.
service to me.
Right.
Okay. I
Mm.
consider this point of life. I'm a fulfilled parent. I have been blessed by two daughters,
Okay.
and both of them they are into prestigious career. They are
Nice.
into Indian civil services. Both
Oh.
of them Indian administrative officers. So I think now it's the time to give back to the society, and
Mhm.
that's why I started it. And now with Dea,
Mhm.
certainly I'm looking forward to share it in a big way. In a big way.
All right. That's really great to know, sir. And lastly, now, sir, I want to ask you that what message, advice, or suggestion do you have to give to today's parents and students about choosing a career path?
Yes, certainly. It should not be stereotyped. It should be well informed.
Mm-hmm.
Parents need not to impose anything on their students or their children. Reason otherwise they will be compromising and they will be repenting later on that we are not being provided the opportunity. We are not being listened. And they will not forgive their parents. I've seen cases because till now I personally coach more than 2,000 students.
Okay.
They are into very senior positions. They are IAS officers, IPS officers. They are into income tax. They are income tax commissioners also.
Okay.
Deputy commissioner income taxes also.
Okay.
But most of them, in their earlier stages, they were
Mm.
not, so confident what they were doing. But
Okay.
once they get the right direction, is their heart's desire,
Yeah.
and in their cases, and in our cases also, we parents, as
Mm.
parents, we need to be facilitator only. And if we can guide, then that's the best thing. Otherwise, AI is doing wonderful job in
Mm.
that. The
Mm.
reason is that certified mentors are there to
Mm.
hold hands of their not only the student but the entire family to
Yeah.
tell them yes, we are here and you need not to bother. Genuinely, we are here, and your family and your children till
Mm.
they achieve whatever they wish.
Okay.
My message. So please, I request parents. So please listen to your children first. Do not adopt the policy that since I have not achieved this, so you need to do this.
Yeah, that's really true. So what you said, because even today, several parents are imposing things on their children about career and career mentoring. So I hope that through this episode and through various activities, today's parents will get educated about other career options as well, apart from the stereotypical options like engineering, doctor, etc.
Yes,
So.
one more thing is, with
Mhm.
my experience as
Mhm.
a kid, I was also a very confused person
Okay.
and going zigzag, and even the passing of more than 45 years. Then I'm seeing that still the position is the same,
Yes.
and still students and parents they both are confused, highly confused.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yes.
there is a lot of scope is there, provided we open our eyes and open our mind. And
Yes.
world is full of opportunities, but
Mhm.
we are looking where stagnation is already there.
Yes.
So we
Okay.
need to think out of box and need to search, and there is, can play a very big role in that. And certainly, and we are going to do it very on a large scale also. I will share next time. I will share what my plan is there.
Mhm. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. Really, I seriously thank you for those kind words for the year. And we are sure that today's even parents and everyone will understand the importance of other career options as well and the dreams of their own children. So that's it, sir. I sincerely thank you for taking out your precious time and giving your experiences and insights. Thank you very much. And I thank you all for watching this episode today. I'm sure you must have found it inspirational, insightful, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.
Thank you.